Former Merrill Lynch CEO John Thain shot off some candid comments during a speech about the takeover, including executive bonuses, his firing, and why he should have bought his office furniture from IKEA. Bloomberg's Monica Tran joins us now with more on that story.
And Marga, John Thain didn't mince any words. He spoke about Merrill's acquisition by Bank of America, telling an audience at the Wharton School of Business that B of A agreed to the bonuses paid to top Merrill executives before the deal went through, and any suggestion he accelerated the timetable is just not true.
As part of the deal on that September weekend, Bank of America agreed then that we could pay, and the number is actually they agreed to pay up to $5.8 billion of bonuses.
Thain also said that B of A chief Ken Lewis knew how much trouble Merrill was in before agreeing to that merger. Merrill posted a $15 billion loss in the fourth quarter last year after the deal was announced, but before it was approved by shareholders. Now, Thain was eventually fired for that, and after reports that he spent more than $1 million to renovate his executive offices while the bank was nearing collapse. He admitted he should have gone with a different designer.
In hindsight, that was a mistake. I admit that was a mistake. I didn't know the world was going to explode, but it did, and that was a mistake. And I'm sorry that I did that. If I had that to do over again, I'd furnish it in IKEA.
All right, not sure how IKEA feels about that, but Thain did say that he reimbursed the company $1.2 million for the office furniture. Also, Mark, Thain was pressed by someone in the audience to give his opinion, I should say, about Bank of America CEO Kenneth Lewis. Thain declined to comment. Back to you.
Monica.